everyone, welcome back once again to Physics the Working of Everything. In this video we're going to learn how relativity helps James Webb telescope to see the past. So before learning that, let's first learn the introduction of James Webb telescope. The James Webb telescope is a space telescope developed by NASA, the European Space Agency (ESA) and the Canadian Space Agency (CSA). It is planned to succeed the Hubble Space Telescope as NASA's flagship mission in astrophysics. James Webb Telescope was launched on 22nd December 2021. The Webb telescope was designed to probe a crucial stretch of early cosmic history known as the Dark Ages. Some of its main missions are to look for the extraterrestrials/aliens and peep into the past. This is one of the most important of them. And learn about the regions of galaxies beyond Neptune, which Hubble telescope couldn't. But how can it see the past? Like, is it a time machine to see the past? Well, relativity helps it to see the past. Now let's learn how. I've already explained about time dilation in my previous videos. So if you don't know about time dilation, you should watch our previous video for sure. Cause if you don't know about time dilation, you cannot understand this. And if you know about time dilation, you might know that due to the extreme speed of light and due to the time dilation, light doesn't experience time. Yes, light cannot experience time. And due to this, certain confusing phenomenon happens. Now let's look at an example. Now let's take an example and let's imagine there's a star billion years ago which emits a light, and that star is billion light years away from our Earth. So it emits the light billion years ago. Okay, so at that time in the past it emits the light, and the light is traveling from the star to the Earth. So till it reaches the Earth, it would take billion of years as it is so far away from the Earth. So now we can conclude from this that we know how we can see things through light, that when light reflects it falls on our eyes and we can see the whatever thing it has reflected. So now the same thing happens here. The light has the picture of the star billion year ago. So till it reaches the Earth in the present, it would have taken billions of years. So then when we see that light, when that light falls on our eyes, this is what will happen. It's very shocking, so be ready. So when that light falls on our eyes, we would see the star billion years ago. Yes, when that light, which is billion years old, falls on our eyes, we can see all that things it has reflected billion years ago. Wow, that's crazy. And the same concept is used in James Webb telescope to see the past. Well, it's really awesome. Now let's see how the concept is used in James Webb telescope to see the past. So here's a picture which you can imagine. So the light which you can see was emitted billions of years ago and has traveled billions of light years to reach the telescope. So the light has still the picture of the time it was emitted. So when it is absorbed by the James Webb telescope, the James Webb telescope can see the picture or whatever it the light has been gone through. So basically we can get the picture of the past and the picture will be sent to us. And using this method, we can actually find that did Big Bang really happen or not. Wow! This James Webb Telescope is a revolution in the field of science. Let's hope for the best to happen with James Webb Telescope and let's find out and uncover the mysteries of universe. Hope you have understood everything that how James Webb Telescope can see through past using relativity and using time dilation. Hope you have understood everything. Let's meet in our next video. That's gonna be like in the series of quantum mechanics. Let's meet in our next video. Until then, goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.